Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how you can directly export tables for Microsoft Excel to a Word file. Therefore, I have this one Microsoft Excel. Therefore, if I want to write or I want to insert this Microsoft Excel into Word. Therefore, I need or I must select this one and copy each column, and therefore I not deter this time and energy. I will show you how you can easily export this table into a Word file. Therefore, I have created this Word file, and let me tell you this one. Therefore, I will direct, I will show you the steps that is easy and fantastic, and actually it is a good trick. Therefore, let's proceed. Okay, the first step is just install. Therefore, insert option. Here is the command object. Therefore, that click this one, and after all there are two listings. There are create new and create form file. Therefore, I should select create form file, and I have to browse the location of world. Therefore, let me browse this one. That means let me specify the location of Microsoft Excel. Therefore, here is the name of Microsoft Excel. I have the name tab slash application as well. Therefore, the next is selected. After that, icon directly paste, or I can directly say OK, or I can click the link. For now, I will show you how I can simply export this one by saying OK. Yes, therefore this one I was created. This is a table from Microsoft Excel. Therefore, this file is directly exported from Microsoft Excel into my Word. And the next is if we wanna create a link between this Microsoft Word and Excel, I shall creating a link between that. Therefore, I will create this one. Go to insert, then select object. After that, I have create form form and create link to file. Therefore, if you click a link on Microsoft Word, it directly leads you to a file in Microsoft Excel. Therefore, after that, in the same as the previous procedure as well. Therefore, I will browse its location, and I direct this one install. Therefore, I have created a link, and you can also display it as an icon. Therefore, create a link. I have tick this one and OK. Therefore, here the second table is a table with a link to Microsoft Excel. Therefore, if you double click on it, it directly leads you to the file in Microsoft Word. Let me show you. Double click. Here is Microsoft Word. That if you change some variables here, it directly changes in Microsoft Word as well. Therefore, he is a link. Therefore, he is more important than he is more important. Well, changing variables. That means if you change any variables in Microsoft Excel, it will also affected by this one. Therefore, he is nice and good. Thank you for today, and keep me and give me sign and subscribe if you like, and if you like as well, hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice time.